Kabele, babele, kabele, bae, kabele, bae, kabele, bae. Onye tele, oche tele, la tele, bae. Ke ya wono uye, kabele, bae, kabele, bae.
Do you know you can now make AI sing in your local language? Yes, this particular video of me that you're currently watching, I use AI to generate the music, and I also use AI to create the music video that you're currently watching. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make AI sing in your own local language and how you can convert it into a music video just like this one or this one.
Jesu mi ke fatalo kemi polo eteshin no mi he omio no he wale ni na mi she Jesu mi he fatalo kemi polo eteshin no mi he o mio no he wale mi na mi se belele mi shaledo mana wala e kok balele mi shaledo mana wala e Michelado, Manawala, Eko, Belele, Michelado, Manawala, Eko.
So to make AI sing in your local dialect, the first thing you need is your music. So I already have a music in mind that I want the AI to sing in my local language. Then the next thing you'll be needing is the AI music generator tool to create your music. And in this video, we are going to use Suno AI to do that. So come to your browser and type Suno AI in the search like this. Then click on the first link. Then come to this section where we have create and click on the create button like this. Now this is what you're going to do. You're going to click on the audio button like this. Now on the audio button, we have the remix button, upload button, and record button. We are going to make use of either the upload button or the record button. With the upload button, what it means that you already have a pre-recorded audio that you want to use. Then you click on the upload button to upload that audio. Okay, but assuming you don't have any pre-recorded music and you want to do the recording yourself, then you click on the record button like this and record the music. You're going to click on the red button like this and record your music. Now before you start recording, Suno will request to allow access to your microphone, and so since we are going to do recording, we need to click on allow while visiting this site or allow this time, depending on how you want your microphone to be accessed all the time. Let's click on the allow. So I'm going to do my recording like this. Kabele bae, kabele bae, kabele bae, kabele bae, onye tele ote tele ka. So I made a mistake. I'm going to start all over again. I'm going to stop and then click on start all over again. Then click on the red button to start. Kabele bae, kabele bae, kabele bae, kabele bae, onye tele oche tele, kabele bae, keyawo no huye, kabele bae, kabele bae, kabele bae, kabele bae, onye tele oche tele, kabele bae, keyawo no huye. So I'm going to click on the close button or the red button, then come to this section and name your audio. So I'm going to make it Abele Bele Ba. Okay, this is a Ghanaian song. Then I'm going to click on the save button to save this music. So when you're done, you wait for it to finish uploading the audio to Suno. Okay, there's a song we just recorded. Now the next thing you are going to do is to click on these 3 dots here by the song we just recorded like this. Then click on remix and edit. Just tap on remix and edit. Then come to this section where we have cover. Click on the cover button like this. Then you're going to see the lyrics of the song you just recorded. Just go through the lyrics, but the only thing is that you cannot make any correction here because that is how the AI heard it. But if you feel it has not been able to capture the lyrics well, then you need to record the song again. Okay, so we're going to maintain it like this. Then we're going to scroll down and come to the style. The style is a Ghanaian music. I'm going to type Ghanaian music here. Come to this section where we have options. Tap on the options like this. What we're going to do is to choose the gender, put it on female since it's a female voice we are using. Okay, and set the weirdness to 0. Okay, we don't want our song to be weird. Then when it comes to the influence, how you want your song to influence the AI generation, we are going to move it to 100%. Then when it comes to the audio influence, we are going to move it to 100%. When you're done, you click on the create button. There's a create button. You tap on it like this to generate your AI music in your own language. So let's wait for it to finish generating. Alright, it has finished generating. The next thing you are going to do is to preview the music by playing it to see whether it sounds well. If it doesn't sound well, we will click on the create button again to recreate the music. So let's play this one first. Alright, so we're going to listen to the second option. So if you don't like the outcome, it could be 2 things. Either the recording didn't go well, or you need to just recreate it again because it's AI, and most of the time you're going to get some glitches here and there, and you need to recreate again so you get the result you are looking for. But I'm going to go with this one. I think I'm okay with this. What I'm going to do next is to click on the 3 dots here and then come to this section where we have the download button. Tap on the download button and then click on the MP3 to download the music to your device. The next thing you're going to do is to generate our singing character, and I'm going to use my own image to do that. So come to ChatGPT like this and come to the prompt box, tap inside and enter this prompt. So I want an AI image prompt using my reference image. Keep the same person from the reference image. Write a detailed AI image prompt using the reference image. The person should be in a professional music studio with headphones on her ears and microphone with a pop filter in front of her. What I want now from ChatGPT is a prompt. So I'm going to hit on the generate button for ChatGPT to give me the prompt. So this is a prompt ChatGPT gave me. The next thing I'm going to do is import my image to ChatGPT. So I'm going to click on the plus sign and then click on add photos and import the image that I want to use. Alright, so I want to use this image. I'm going to tap on it like this and click on the open button. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to copy the same prompt ChatGPT provided for me and then paste it here in the prompt box like this. Then hit on the generate button. Alright, so I think I like this image. It's so nice. I'm going to click on the download button to download this image to my device. Okay, assuming you're not using ChatGPT Pro, then come to your browser and type Flow in your search like this. Then click on Google Labs, this one, tap on it like this. Then click on the get started button. This is a get started button. Tap on it like this, or create with Flow button, okay, to sign in with your Gmail account. Now come to this section where we have new project. Tap on it like this. Then come to this section and click on the plus sign to import the image that you want to use. Come to the top here and click on the upload button to upload the image. So after you finish uploading, you will see the image thumbnail in the prompt box here like this. What you're going to do next is to go to ChatGPT and copy the prompt ChatGPT provided for you. There's a prompt. I'm going to copy everything like this. You right click and click on copy. Okay, there's a copy button here, so you just click on the copy button to copy. Then you go to Flow. Then here we are going to enter our prompt in the box here. Tap on it like this. Now come to this section and tap on this small box here. You are going to select the aspect ratio, either portrait or landscape. We're going to make it landscape like this, and you're going to choose either image or video, but we are going to maintain the image. And then also select the number of images you want per generation. We want 1 image, so we're going to tap on the 1 like this. Then come to this section where we have Nano Banana 2, Nano Banana Pro, or Nano Banana 2. So we're going to click on the Nano Banana 2, then click on the generate button. This is the generate button to generate your image. All right, so this is the image and I think I like it. So what I'm going to do is to click on the 3 dots around the image or at the top here, and then click on the download button to download this image either in 1K or 2K. I'm just going to maintain the 1K, but in case you preview the image, the download button is at the top here. You tap on it like this to download the image to your device. So now that we have our image downloaded to our device, the next we are going to do is to animate the image using Grok AI. So come to your browser and type Grok AI in the search like this. Now we're going to click on the first link, this one. We're going to choose Grok AI like this. Then come to this section where we have Imagine. Tap on the Imagine button like this, and then come to this section and click on the plus icon or the attach button here. It's going to give you 2 options, either to edit image or to animate image. So since we want to animate our image, we're going to click on Animate Image, and then select the image that you want to animate. So far we have image from ChatGPT and also from Flow. So I'm going to click on the one ChatGPT generated and click on the open button to import that to Grok. So now the next thing I'm going to do is to come to this section and enter my prompt, what I want Grok to do to this image, or how I want Grok to animate this image. So you enter this prompt into Grok and click on the create button to generate your animation. So I'm going to leave all the prompt I'm using in this video in the pinned comment of this video and also the description section of this video. Do well to pick it, modify it, and use it to create your own. So this animation, what I'm going to do is to click on the download button here to download animation. Now the next step is lip syncing. For the lip syncing, we are going to use Dream Face. To do that, go to your search here and type Dream Face like this. Then click on the first link, then click on the plus sign to import the image you just animated. So I'm going to click this one first and then click on the open button. Now come to this section where we have audio and tap on audio button here. Just a location where you have your audio. So this is the audio. I'm going to tap on it like this and click on the open button to import that to Dreamface. So now that we have our audio in Dreamface, the next thing you are going to do is to click on the generate button to lip sync our video. Alright, the videos are ready. What you're going to do is to preview it, tap on it first, play, and let's see how it sounds. So when you're done, click on the download button here to download this music to your device. Just tap on the download button. This is the download button to download the music to your device. So this is how you make AI sing in your own language and also make your own image sing that AI song. Isn't that wonderful? Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Now before I end this video, if you want to use the audio feature in Suno AI, you need to be on the pro version before you can be able to use it. Even if the free version allows you to create your own AI video, you still need a pro before you can commercialize it. So if you want to take this thing to the next level, then you need to make some small investment in that. Now if you also want to use Dreamface to lip sync your videos, then you need to also invest in that. You need to go for the premium version. The free version is there, but it always comes with watermark, which you cannot commercialize it. But apart from Dreamface, there are other AI tools that you can also use to lip sync your videos or your images. I'll be making videos on those tools very soon on this channel, so make sure you stay tuned to this channel.